High scale guys, today we have indicator like this. This is any lot, model is 805BS, and to calibrate this indicator you need to unscrew these bolts, and here you have switch J1 which you need to put in on position. And when you put it in the on position, you can see that we are in the configuration mode. By pressing units and print button, you can go like different menu. So this is like for decimal points, grad size F2, but this is like format F2. And we need to go to F3. F3 will be calibration mode. So we go F3 and press Terra button. Oh, sorry, gross net button. And now we're in the calibration mode. 3.1 is like zero calibration. So I press Terra button. Now it's calibrating zero. Nothing on the scales. So zero is calibrated. This is number of counts. Don't change this number. We just press Terra button to confirm it. So 3.2 will be value, calibration value. I already put 500, but if you put like, you can make it 2500. So as much as you want to put. So capacity of them is 2500, but I don't want to put. This is small platform like, and it will be like pretty tough to put so amount of the weight there. And another thing that the guy use scales like at this area mostly, so it's good to calibrate it with 500. So when I put my calibration weight here, I can move it to this digit, and change it by pressing gross net. Then I press Terra to confirm it, and now we're 3.3, which is span calibration. Now I need to put 500 kg here. So I put 500 in the middle. And I need to remove the hook. So I press Terra button now. Now it's calibrating 500. Now it will be counts again. So this counts, I confirm that this counts. And then this is zero calibration. So 3.4 is zero, res zero. And at this point we need to remove the weight from here. And now we need to press Terra button to re-zero it. So I re-zero it, confirm it, and then we need to put the switch back in off position, and it goes to the waiting mode. And then the customer brings this, so now calibration is done. But when the customer brings these scales, it's make this type of noise, yeah. And what I did, I just remove this thing, remove the keypad, and it stops doing. Oh, it's turned off. Now let's turn it on back. Oh, now I can't turn it on because I unplugged the keypad. Okay. Now I turn it on. And it's still doing this thing. Now I'm just interested in why. I will make another video about that thing. So calibration, we finished with the calibration. You know how to calibrate it now.